Hey, April, I need your help. S- This is from the grade book, so you won't have access to this. But what I need is maybe you to go in your results, all right, and then just show quizzes. If you can click here, it'll probably show assignments, but click, see it shows all assignments, clicks to there. So just do quizzes for me. What I need to see, because I don't have a student account, is I need this actions. See if you can find somewhere where you can have the actions, because if I do actions and print, it allows me to print, as a student, you're like quiz 7, and you'll be able to print the quizzes. Okay, but I need to see if let me see what happens when let's see what happens when we do print. I'll print this for you and see what happens. Okay, see what happens. All right. So if you could do that for me, I'd really appreciate it, because I don't have a student account, so I can't see from a student perspective. Thanks. And then let me know, get back to me.